Hi, I'm Ryan Hager with FSN Medical Technologies, the Digital Marketing Manager, and today I'm going to show you the unboxing and setup of the wireless system WUH4060. Unboxing of the wireless system. We have the instructions for use. Here you'll see the RX, which is the receiving box for the signal. Here's the TX for sending the signal. 2 HDMI cables, some screws in case you need them, 2 power bricks here, and 2 power cables. Last and certainly not least, beneath styrofoam, 2 brackets to secure your wireless to wherever you need to secure it to. Keep it out of the way. All right, so the TX power. The TX and RX are done exactly the same way as far as connecting it to the power and the source, the video source. So I'll show you with the TX. The key for the first timer is to focus on this red dot. Where is it, right? The red dot is the key. It'll help you align the 2 pins into these 2 holes here. So the trick is take that red dot and make sure you have it lined on the left side at 9 o'clock, if you will, of this circle. So I'll make sure that is on there. Place it and turn it a little bit left and right, and then I'll go in. Now notice the safety feature. Say it's on your monitor and you're having your procedures, whatever. If you pull on it, it will not come out. You need to use the barrel to pull on, and then it'll safely come out. So again, lining up that dot on this far left-hand corner, 9 o'clock. Turn a little bit, back and forth, wiggle it on, it's secure. Now the HDMI or SDI, simply plug that in, and you're set. Power up, use your switch, it'll say off in the very top here, just so you know, of course, it won't be powered up either. Hit this, and you're up. At the top, you have a little window telling you what's going on. Currently, you can see it's sending video at this frequency and at this quality, 4K 60 Hertz UHD. Another hint, just don't touch this guy at all. If you do, it'll give you some options on the screen, but for 99% of the people out there, you're not going to need this. It's ready to go out of the box. Okay, so the TX is ready to go. I'll show you how it works. We're now going to move on to setting up the RX to receive the signal at the monitor. All right, we now have the RX receiving box connected to the bracket, to the monitor to receive the signal. Taking our, in this case, HDMI or SDI, depending on your situation, and attaching it to the RX receiving box. And the power source, again, line up that little red dot, and you can push towards it, and then just turn a little bit left and right, and those 2 pins will sink right in to begin the powering. Okay, the RX and TX are set up completely and mounted on the monitor. Let's test it out for its first run. Turning on the RX, we'll now see a few splash screens showing us the sequence steps. No link, connecting, and we now have a very strong and secure 4K wireless signal from our source to the monitor wirelessly. 2 things to keep in mind: that 5 to 33 feet is optimal distance between the TX and RX, and secondly, that you want the RX TX to be 6 to 10 feet off the ground. We're really excited for you to give this a try and solving your wireless needs. FSN, take control of your video.